Hi guys, it's Rachel with WTI, and yes, I am holding little mini donuts here on a beautiful little stand. This here is brand new from Mini Brands. It is Make It Mini Cafe Series #1. This is really fun because it comes with all the different items. It's still a surprise. You don't know what you're going to get, but it does have all the things to be able to create this cute little stand here with food. So this has different stuff for cafe. You are going to get all the items. It does suggest that you do have an adult to help the child because a lot of this stuff is super sticky. You have your little tweezers. You're either creating one of the items on the paper that they give you, and it comes with this really cute display case as well. So it's really fun. I like the fact that it's still Mini Brands. I like the fact that you can do this with your kid. And I love the fact that it is arts and crafts too. It's so many things all in one. That's how fun it is. But that's just my point of view.